Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I went ahead and filled in my brows. Also, I applied concealer on my lid as a base. I will start with the red from the crayon case palette, and I will apply that as my transition color. And once I apply that, I will go ahead and apply a reddish peachy type of red in my crease from the James Charles palette. And I will apply it all over my crease. Once I do that, I will go back in the same palette and take the dark brown and apply it directly on top of the reddish color that I just applied, and I will drag it all the way into the corner of my lid. I will make sure that I blend out everything, and I will go back again in the palette and take the black and apply that at the end of my crease. And once I apply that, I will go ahead and cut my crease with my deep olive by e.l.f. When cutting my crease, I don't do anything special. I just take my time so that way it can come out very neat. And I always make sure I drag it down so it could meet the other color. I will go ahead and grab my palette and the Try by Juvia's. I will use that pretty color that's like a neon green yellowish type of color and apply that right in the middle of my lid. And then I will jump in the Morphe palette and grab the gold so I can put it at the corner of my lid so I can create an ombre effect. This is me going back into grabbing the black so I can blend out everything to a smoother finish. And I'm blending out everything. I will jump back in the crayon case palette so I can apply the gold in my tear duct. Also, the same colors that I apply in my cut crease, I apply them in my waterline. These lashes were given to me, so I'm not sure where they're from. Like I told you guys, I apply my lashes with hair glue. You know, I'm getting better at applying my lashes on camera. Yay me. I went ahead and applied my mascara Better Than Sex. I really don't use anything different from my other videos. And then I'm gonna go off camera and finish the other eye. So here I am now with my Bobbi Brown foundation. I don't remember the name, the color of the top of my head, but everything will be in the description bar below. I'm also jamming to my Haitian songs. The concealers I'll be using today will be the NARS and also the e.l.f. It's nothing special. I apply them and blend them out. Also, I'm still jamming. I'm forever jamming. I set my face the same way as you seen in the other video. I'm going to contour with the same thing from Black Radiance. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So please enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And honey, I'm forever jamming. I love music. Music is everything for me. So I really hope you guys enjoy the video, and don't forget to leave some comments down below and let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys in the next one. Mwah, love ya.